In this video, we're going to learn how to create a citation in APA format for your records and references when you're doing your papers. So I'm going to again stick in my same topic, the antietam topic. And hit enter. So I'm going to go down to restrict to peer-reviewed articles just so you can see how this goes. But if you notice, I have Civil War history here, March 13, 2013. Now if I hit to the right of my article, the citation button, you will notice that MLA, APA, Chicago, all of them pop up. If I want my APA, all I have to do is go in, cut and paste, and then paste that back into my reference section in my paper. Now it is always good to check these to make sure that they are correct. They are not always correct. Sometimes there are mistakes, especially when there are a lot of authors involved, and that you will have to go and fix manually. But for the most part, this is a very good system to get those references and citations for your paper fairly quickly and easily.